Pretty excited. Working on these trails for a while. Just need to finish a small section here to sort of have a loop. Trail kind of going up that way. And that goes up to the top of the hill. And then I kind of have this trail here. I have a little section there, but mainly back here, through here, over here. And this starts heading down the hill. So this is kind of my challenge here is I stopped this trail just down there where I was going to cut it across that way to connect. But as you can see here, I'm actually thinking instead of having to walk down a bit and then back up, I'm going to start here where this little indent is. I'll cut the trail down, have a little bit of downslope here. Still up here though on this edge. Finally get over here where it will connect. See, this is kind of just the rough little bit of trail where I anticipate I'll connect to. And then right here is now the trail. We'll get this done and then I'll show you the whole thing once it's all done. Before I get started here, we get to show you the main thing that's making all these trails happen, which is this. It's the hoe I got here. This guy I got about 9 months ago, and I probably put about over 100 hours of use in this guy. You can tell he's not very sharp. I really should sharpen him more often, but even with these dull edges here, just plowing, chipping away at rocks, to raking, to just smoothing things out. This is what we're using today, and pretty much what I've been using for all this trail that you'll see here in the end. Well, first I clear most of the vegetation, topsoil. Then mostly I use felled trees for the crest side. Mostly just moving dirt from the high side to the low. Doing about a 3-foot wide hiking trail to allow for pulling small wagons or wheelbarrow. These sections are mostly dirt, so a lot less rock and less steep. Here I'm about halfway done. Just more trees and dirt. Lots of fresh air doing all this work outside. Each section's about 10 feet long. It takes about 1 to 3 hours. It's a good workout. On average, I'm doing about 3 to 5 10-foot sections a week. I've been doing that for the last about 9 months now. Right here I'm wrapping up. There's the end over there. That completes the loop. So here's the trail. I'll walk a little bit and then I'll speed it up so we can see the whole thing. It's been a lot of work. That's it, the 1/3 mile loop.